Transform your everyday into extraordinary with a touch of 24K gold on your Apple Watch. Picture this, a regular morning, but your wrist sparkles with more than just a timepiece. It's a statement. The custom 24K gold Apple Watch isn't just an accessory, it's a masterstroke of craftsmanship and high-tech luxury, designed just for you. At Debilis Luxe, we take the already sophisticated Apple Watch titanium and stainless steel model and elevate it, giving it a lavish makeover with hand-applied 24K gold plating. But it's not just about looks. This beauty is electroplated to ensure not only a stunning finish, but also durability that matches its elegance. Now let's talk exclusivity. Each watch is customized by skilled artisans who ensure that every detail is perfect. From the sleek black leather band to the meticulously engraved details, your Apple Watch is transformed into something uniquely yours. But what about functionality, you ask? Fear not, your gold-plated Apple Watch retains all its smart features,